Hi, I'm Taryn Thompson. I'm a woodshop specialist at Ideal Builders. So first, I came across Ideal through a friend, Egypt. And I met with Ren, which he gave me the job opportunity at Ideal Building. And since then, my experience has been great. So I was definitely interested in being a mentor and also looking for a mentor, because I'm interested in the youth because I have kids myself. So I'm definitely into seeing the youth grow and prosper and become young entrepreneurs. Oh, I think that I'm looking to become a recruiter to get more kids into the program, because a lot of people don't know about the funding and what's going on with Ideal and what it has to offer. And this day and age, I think that everybody deserves this opportunity. My experience here, so I've been here for I'm a new employee. I've been here for a few weeks now, and it's room for growth. Any other job I had it's constantly promises that's never met. And here, I done got contract after contract, and I'm working towards my own business. And that's something that no other job or company offer. Ideal showed you that you can be. Keep pushing forward and moving forward.